In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in Microsoft Lists, step by step. If you've already built a great list and want the same structure somewhere else, duplicating is the quickest way to reuse your columns, views, and formatting without rebuilding from scratch. You'll need access to the original list and permission to create lists in the destination location. First, open Microsoft Lists. You can get there from the Microsoft 365 app launcher, from a SharePoint site, or inside a Teams channel where List is available. The interface looks slightly different in each place, but the process is the same. If you plan to duplicate a list that lives in a specific team or site, make sure you're in that site first so it's easy to find as the source. Next, start a new list. Look for New List or choose New and then List. This begins the list creation flow. If you're asked where to create the list, pick the location that makes sense for who needs access, either your personal space in Lists or a specific SharePoint site or team. The location controls who can see and collaborate on the copy. Now choose from existing lists. This option tells lists to use an existing list as a template. It brings over the schema, things like column names and types, choices, views, formatting, and rules. It does not bring over the items themselves, which keeps your new list clean and ready for fresh data. Select the source, choose the site that contains the list you want to copy, then pick the list from that site. If you have many, use the search box to find it quickly. Double check you've got the right one, then continue to the next step. If you don't see the site or list, you may not have permission to read it. Finally, name and create your copy. Enter a clear, specific name so teammates immediately know what this list is for. Optionally, add a description to document the purpose or any key instructions. Confirm the save location if prompted, then select Create. In a few seconds, your new list will open with the same columns and views as the original. That's it, you've duplicated a Microsoft list. Since items aren't copied, you can import fresh data, paste rows from Excel, or start adding entries manually. Take a moment to scan the columns, calculated fields, and rules to ensure everything carried over as expected. Duplicating this way keeps your standards consistent and saves time every time you launch a new project, intake, or tracker.